Welcome to GFXCity. Today I will show you how to design this expensive logo. Let's take the line tool from the toolbar. Press and hold the Shift key and draw a straight line like this. Press and hold the Alt key and make a copy. Press Ctrl and D keys to make 3 more copies. Select these 4 lines. Drag it here by pressing the Alt key to make a copy. Using the Shift key, rotate it like this and bring it to the center. Drag it to the center by pressing the Alt key. Select these 2 lines and drag them here by pressing the Alt key. Similarly, do it again. Select all of them and lock them from the object. Go to Pen tool. Change the stroke color. Increase the size of stroke. Zoom in a little. Let's draw a line of S like this. Click on the Direct Selection tool. And select these 2 and these 2 anchor points and drag them to make it curve. Again, go to the Pen tool and draw a line like this. Similarly, do its opposite side. Take the Direct Selection tool. Select these 2 and these 2 anchor points and drag them to make them curve. Select all of them and increase the stroke size. Go to the Ellipse tool. Select Fill. Draw a circle right here. Make it a little bit bigger. Press and hold the Alt key to make a copy and place it here. Similarly, do it 2 more times. Select all. From the object, click on Expand. Check these 2 boxes and click on OK. Now, from here click on the unit. Bring it here. Unlock these lines from the object and remove them. Align it to the center both horizontally and vertically. Press and hold the Alt and Shift keys and drag it to make them bigger. Rotate it 45 degrees. Right-click on it. From Transform, click on the Reset bounding box. Let's save it in transparent. Click on here to fit on the screen. Save it. Give a name of it. Press Enter. Open Photoshop. Open the mockup file. Double-click on here. Place the image that we have saved from Illustrator. Make it bigger. Unmark the background. Align it to the center. Press Ctrl and S for save. Close it. Now, this is our final logo mockup. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.